kimchi pot. The kimchi pot ingredients: green onion, garlic, onion, fish balls and fish cakes, mixed seafood, clams, mushrooms, pork belly, kimchi, Napa cabbage, stick rice cake. All ingredients and seasonings do not have a certain amount and type. It is entirely based on individual preferences. Clean all ingredients. Napa cabbage is cut into 2 parts, leaves and roots. In a large clean pan, spread the pork slices in the pan and start frying the lard over medium heat. Always turn over to avoid burning, and take out when the pork slices are a little golden brown on both sides. Leave the lard in the pot, add the onion and fry until fragrant, remove it. Add the Napa cabbage root and stir fry. Pour in the water and submerge the vegetables. Put in the pan, green onion, garlic and onion, mix well and cover the pot. After boiling, add gochujang, kimchi, then add mushrooms, rice cakes, pork belly. Add a little salt and some sugar, and some mirin, and mix well. Put the vegetable leaves on it. Cover the pot and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Open the lid and add the clams from the side. Then cover the pot. After boiling again, stir a little. Then add the mixed seafood, fish balls and fish cakes. And then cover the pot and wait for it to boil again. Then you can enjoy the delicious kimchi pot.